Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadhai. Today we will make yet another interesting recipe which is fried onion garlic mushrooms, and that too we will be making them in air fryer. So let's see how to make it.
The ingredients required for fried onion garlic mushrooms are: firstly, we will take mushrooms, we will wash them, then we need some chopped onions, some chopped garlic, little bit of corns to give a nice taste. Then we need little corn flour, breadcrumbs, coriander, coriander leaves, some salt, black pepper, butter, and some toothpicks to go along. Now let's see how to make these. So firstly, we will remove the stem of the mushroom. You have to keep it and do not throw it. Then we need to scoop the mushroom because we will be stuffing them. So with the help of a knife, we have scooped the mushroom, and the stem which is left and the inner part, we will cut them and use them for stuffing. And similarly, we have scooped all other mushrooms like this, and we have cut the stem part of it, which we will use in stuffing. Now we will make stuffing for the mushrooms. So first of all, take some chopped onions, chopped garlic, some chopped coriander, and some corns to go along. We will put little butter into it, which will give a nice flavor. And some spices, actually only salt and black pepper. You can add red chili powder if you wish. We will simply mix all these ingredients well. We have added the mushroom stems into the stuffing, and again we will mix the mixture well. We will now stuff this mixture into the scooped mushrooms. We will press it slightly so that the stuffing goes properly into the mushrooms. And similarly, we will stuff all the mushrooms like this. And once we stuff it, we have to take the toothpick, and with the help of a toothpick, we will join these two mushrooms together. And here is your one mushroom stick ready. Similarly, we will make all other mushroom sticks, and we will then place them in air fryer. Now we have made all the mushroom sticks like this, and we will coat them with a batter of corn flour. We will dip them like this to give a nice coating, and then we will top coat it with breadcrumbs in this manner, so that the mushrooms are completely covered with the breadcrumbs. And similarly, we will coat all other mushroom sticks in corn flour first, and then we will coat it with the breadcrumbs. And now we have preheated the air fryer, and we will keep all our stuffed mushrooms into it. So one by one, we'll place all the mushrooms into the air fryer, and we will put it for frying for 8 to 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So we have kept our mushrooms for another 5 minutes in an air fryer. So total of 15 minutes. And here you see our stuffed mushrooms are looking very nice and they have got a nice brown color. We will take these out from the air fryer and we will plate it. We will place all the mushrooms stuffed with onion and garlic, and here you go. So your fried onion garlic mushrooms are absolutely ready to serve. You can serve it with sauces as per your taste. So try making this recipe and let us have your reviews. Thank you.